Since you can tell I like to eat, we're here in Murrells Inlet to check out one of the newest restaurants that's in town, the Back Home BBQ Country Buffet. Back Home Barbecue is a southern buffet that is located in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. It is on the main drag as you head toward the Marsh Walk from Highway 17. This restaurant serves breakfast for $8.50, lunch for $10.50, and early bird dinner for $13.50 from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and $14.50 from 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock. Thank you, y'all too. Their hours are Tuesday and Wednesday 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., Thursday through Saturday 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Sunday 7:30 a.m. till 3 p.m., and they are closed on Mondays. There is way too much food to mention, so I'll give you the highlights. You can get things like fried and baked chicken, flounder, beef stew, green beans, butter beans, peas, chicken and dumplings. Are you hungry yet?
Everything. Chicken and dumplings. Good vegetables.
And they have everything you need for a salad with tons of toppings. And of course, banana pudding, one of my favorites. Everything was hot, fresh, and delicious. A second plate. So the next time you're in town, try the Back Home Country Buffet in Murrells Inlet so you can keep beaching.